Hello, here we are on March 20th and the Forsythia is blooming. In this video we're going to focus on Forsythia and on roly-poly bugs. This yellow blossomed shrub is called Forsythia and it's a common sight in Brooklyn in the early spring. It produces these yellow flowers before it produces its own leaves. Now heading over to the viewing platform, I should mention that I also really like bird calls. So if I hear an interesting bird call, I will try to mention that in between other things I'm telling you. This is a Forsythia flower. You might notice that it has 4 petals. Yesterday's crocus had 6 petals, and monocots typically have 3 to 6 petals, while dicots typically have 4 or 5 petals. Dicots also have branched veins in their leaves, and here's a Forsythia leaf, and you can see that the veins of it are branched. Now looking deeper into our Forsythia flower, we can see that there are flower parts down in there, and if we peel the petals off, we can see that bright yellow pollen down deep in the flower, and those are the male parts, the stamen that hold the flower, hold the pollen, and then that's the pistil, the female part that's sticking out there, and the tip of it right there is where the pollen should land. Now turning our attention from plants to animals, I have for you today a roly-poly bug, and it's not a bug after all. It turns out that roly-poly bugs are crustaceans, and crustaceans are in the same group, or the group contains lobsters and shrimp and crabs, and, as it turns out, isopods. A roly-poly bug is called an isopod because the regular walking legs of the roly-poly, there are 7 pairs of regular walking legs going back along the body. Those regular walking legs are all the same, one as the next. And iso means same and pod means legs. So the roly-poly bug is named for the sameness of its legs. At the front of the roly-poly bug, those long parts sticking out are the antennae, and the roly-poly bug uses those to sense the world around it. On the underside of this roly-poly bug, we may be able to see a brood pouch, which is a little pocket. Do you see it toward this end? It's a lighter area, not the bright white spots, but the lighter area. Let me try that again. At this end, not a cooperative roly-poly bug. At this end here, there is a lighter area, and that's the brood pouch, or the pocket where she's keeping her eggs. I guess we should let her flip back over and perhaps crawl away. Happy spring!